Hey everybody, Geotech here with another video. About a year ago, the AirPod Pros were released, available for purchase. I kept my old box, all the packaging. I think there's also a USB-C to Lightning cable that it comes with, which has recently created some controversy. So I've had these for a while. Now, recently Apple announced that they have found that some of these AirPod Pros have had issues with buzzing or static, just intermittent issues, which all were things that I experienced. This is my AirPod Pros. These are actually in a Catalyst case, makes them waterproof. Although I've never had the courage to submerge these in water, it is nice to have something that attaches to your belt loop or your body or whatever backpack, because AirPods are very, very easy to lose if you just have them naked. My experience with AirPods have been great. They're definitely worth the extra $100 compared to the original pair. I actually had the original pair and I didn't even get to enjoy them for less than 2 weeks before I lost them in an Uber. They slipped out of my pocket because I didn't have a case for them. But I did notice that the fitting wasn't as great as the AirPod Pros. So I reached out to Apple and I said, hey, I have these issues. I noticed you guys, talked about them on your website. What can I do? They said, yeah, let me look up your serial number. So if you guys are looking to make a claim, this is what this video is about. You go to Bluetooth, you go to AirPod Pros, you click on the little icon, and you will provide them with the serial number. If you can toggle between the left and the right, or just both of them. I guess each individual AirPod has its own serial number. I actually just took a screenshot of this and sent that over to Apple. And I did this all through the support app. Some people don't know about this, but this is actually an app that you can download on your phone. It's called Apple Support. Super helpful. You download it, you sign in with your Apple ID, and you're literally texting them back and forth instead of having to be on the phone or having to go in the store. So I let them know what was going on. They saw that my AirPods were out of warranty, and they told me, we're going to need a card on file. We're going to charge you an out of warranty fee. It's like $200. All you have to do though is take your old AirPods and send them back to us, and you'll get your money back. It's kind of just like a hold. So they sent me 2 boxes. I'm assuming one of them's empty, so I can send my old pair back. Now I did ask them, are they going to send me a new pair or refurbished pair? And they didn't really give me a straight answer. So I'm curious to see what I get. It looks like this is not your retail packaging box. So it looks like I'm getting a refurbished pair. But if you have experienced issues with, for me, it's like a buzzing sound when I talk, and it's really noticeable and really annoying after, being on the phone with someone or being on a Zoom call, conference call, whatever. It's noticeable and it's really annoying. So I just figured, hey, why not take advantage of the program? That's what it's there for. All right, so give me a little box here. Oh wow! So they sent me individual ones. How interesting! Wow. Oh, cool. And they also gave me the earpieces. Okay. This is very interesting. I've never seen this before. So they sent me 2 boxes, one for the left, and I'm assuming this is for the right. Now, don't tear up these boxes. You're going to be reusing these boxes to send your original pair back to Apple. And make sure you do that, or else they will charge you the out of warranty replacement fee thing. Wow, these are really tight boxes, man. All right. I don't have nails. There we go. Okay. So they sent me a replacement left and a replacement right AirPod Pro with the replacement ear tips right there. All right. So I'm assuming I take these out and I put the old ones in the box. Just to be safe, I'll read this, whatever this is. Yep. Gives you instructions on how to send this back. So what you do is once you get the new ones out, or a refurbished pair, whatever the case may be, you kind of just do the reverse steps. You put it back in the box, you close it up. You'll probably need some tape to seal it. And then as far as the label goes, you just rip you rip this label off and there's a new one to send back. So you don't even have to pay for shipping. And you can drop this off at FedEx or a drop-off box at FedEx. And you should be golden. So if you are one of those affected customers, this is sort of the process. I'm a little bit disappointed that they're sending me a refurbished pair. I kind of wish they would have sent me a new pair, but the buzzing sound is quite annoying. Another thing too with AirPods, and this is with every pair, not just Pros or whatever, the batteries have so much life in them. So after, recharging these, less and less cycles are left on these. They do have an expiration date, so I'll take any opportunity to freshen them up for another pair, even if they are refurbished, because I'm sure they do replace the batteries. Yeah. So if you guys have any questions about this process, just let me know. It's pretty easy, and Apple did like expedited shipping. I did this claim on Sunday. It's now Tuesday, so they wasted no time getting me a replacement pair. It does come in 2 separate boxes, so just keep that in mind. And it was by FedEx. It might be different in your area, but they did not ask for a signature, so just keep that in mind. I want to say that they did ring the doorbell, so at least that was courteous of them. But all right, guys, take care.